fabulous friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your fab friend Jacky Navarro, and if you are new here to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. So today I will show you what I normally bring on my travel. So I will show you my travel makeup kit, and here it is. So it's very messy because I just finished doing my makeup, but this is my makeup bag. As you can see all the makeups inside, so it's gonna be easier for me to see or get the makeup inside. It's for thumbnail yun. So this is just random because it's, you know, messy. So first is my favorite Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. I have a separate video for this one. I will just put the link on the description box or just click somewhere here. So this is a really nice eyeshadow palette and panty liner. I have this eyelash curler from KMA and brow liner, and there's eyebrow mascara 2-in-1. So this is really nice. Hindi ko na shoot. So this is from Everbelena Crease. I have my pink blush on from Freedom. As you can see, this is my favorite blush on. This is matte, like super baby pink or pa-cute pink lang. My powder. Oh, by the way, this is in shade Banish. And then my powder from MAC. This is in NC30, but this one is a little bit darker for me now. Highlighter, of course, you know, my favorite highlighter. This is Mary Luminizer, my favorite one. My lip balm, Nivea lip balm. You've seen this on my videos. This is in shade Bordeaux. This is from Japan. I'm not sure if this is available in Thailand or Philippines. And then I have another one, Nivea Ultra Care and Protect. It has SPF 30, so when we go to the beach, this is what I use just to protect the lips. And of course, mascara, Maybelline New York The Falsies Push-Up Mascara. This is really nice. And I have my Etude Dear Darling Lip Tint, Cheek and Lip Tint. So you saw some of my pictures when I swim, so this is what I use so that, you know, my makeup will be waterproof. So I will just show the picture here. And then this is the Beauty White Zinc sunscreen. This is a really nice tinted sunscreen for swimming. There you go. It's really nice and it's waterproof, so you know, you will still look good even if you swim. If someone date you, you know, go ahead. My makeup is waterproof. And then my concealer for today is Insta Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle. I am in shade Neutralizers. And then eyeshadow base Essence I Love Stage. And then my mini MAC, but I didn't use this weekend. This is Twig Satin Lipstick. What I use is the BLK lipstick. So this is a face sunblock, SPF 50. So this is what I use before I put on any makeup. And then I have my underarm deodorant. So this is my deodorant, Pass Gel. Smells really good. Smells like grapes. My eyeliner is from Kate Tokyo. Nasira na. This one is Anna. This is a perfume. So this is nice because it's so travel friendly. It's so small and it's not heavy. And then for my brushes, I just bring few brushes, so very few lang. So this is my spoolie. This is from Marinoid. And my brush. This is what I use for powder, blush on, highlighter. All in one. And then for eyeshadow, I only bring two. So pencil brush and my double edges brush. This is from Tarte. This one is from Cute Press. So this is the blending brush, and this is what I use for like highlighting the inner corner, the nose, there. And my contact lens solution and contact lens holder. So that's pretty much it. That's what I bring during my holiday or weekend, or every time I travel. This is what I normally bring with me. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again on our next video. Bye. As always, stay fabulous.